Hello, and welcome. In this guide, you'll learn how to add friends on Skype. Whether you're using a smartphone, Skype is still one of the most popular tools for chatting. Voice calls and video calls, and connecting with people is super easy once you know where to look. Let's begin. First, unlock your phone and tap the Skype app icon. If this is your first time, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create it right from the app. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the chat screen. Next, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see some kind of pen icon. Tap on it. Here, you'll see all your current Skype contacts. In the search bar, enter any of the following: their Skype username, their Microsoft email address, or their phone number. Skype will automatically search the database and show matching results. Scroll through the list if needed, and once you spot the correct profile, tap on their name to view their profile. Tap their profile photo, location, or Skype ID to ensure it's the right person. Then click Next. And now you can start a chat by sending a message. And that's it, you've added the account as your Skype friend. Now you can expand your network, keep in touch with loved ones, and collaborate with colleagues around the world, all with a few simple taps or clicks. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.